All right, let me see how everything is working. Okay, let me check. Right, I think I hear the sound. Let's bring the music. All right. Okay, so since last time I observed a couple of bugs that we will try to figure out today. But first of all, I upgraded Babylon.js. They recently released version 9, and I decided to not dig into that yet, so I updated till the last version in the 8th branch. I believe in version 9.0 they just dropped documentation, but I believe they didn't really add much from code perspective after 8.56.2. But I know I checked the change logs 9.1 and even 9.2. Those updates are massive. So for now, until I still polishing, I decided not to go there just yet, so I updated till the last 8th version, and after we finish fixing all current bugs, we will deploy to prod, and after that we'll start transition to the 9th branch. They added a lot of stuff there, but I think that the only thing that can be potentially interesting for us right away is that they created new highlighting controller. So this one, like we did, it looks kinda ugly. And what I saw in their main page, they did it differently. So that probably will be the first thing that we will dig into in 9 version after we fix compatibility issues, but that's for the future. Let's talk about weird bugs that I discovered. Let's start from the easiest one probably. First of all, I didn't check how to fix them yet, I just know they exist, and today it will be like real life coding, trying to figure out what's going on. But let's start with easy one, at least that one that seems easy to me. If you shoot like this, you can see how the health is decreasing, and yeah. And it's even more funny with a shotgun. Practically we're shooting into our own feet. I'm pretty sure it's happening because we're spawning bullet too close to the gun. We can fix it in different way, either limiting angle more or spawning bullet fewer. I think we will do both one way. I'm just trying to figure out how soon this bug starts to work, because like this we are fine, like this we are fine. Yeah, but this is already not fine. I think what we can do, we can just like spawn bullet fewer. It's like easy solution. I believe it should be here. Yeah, spawn offset. We have this one. Okay, it starts with 1.6 for shotgun. I'll actually receive this as params from the weapons. Okay. Do we set up it here? It's actually not this one. I should delete unused guns, yeah. Where do we create projectile? Not here. I think for the most of them we just use this class. Yeah, so projectile spawn offset. Yeah, 2. So let's try 2.5. So do we have any progress? Yeah. Okay, now we can go much lower, but not good enough. I feel like 3 might be too much. We will be spawning it like too far in the distance, probably. And we're still not solving the issue. I mean, of course, we can go crazy with this. Okay, that solves a problem, but I'm worried that bullet is spawned like too forward. I see. That's not what I want. So if I revert back to 2, okay, I guess let's try to find the golden middle. I mean, 3 is not okay already. I have an idea. Have an obscure idea, but I think it makes sense. Let's see how we draw our weapon. Yeah, this one. So Yeah, we move it forward. But what we parenting it for? So yeah, this. Okay, we parenting it to player camera. That's good. What we can do, we can just move the camera forward a little bit. So we have here like camera holder or something. Yeah, camera holder. Okay, it's directly attached to a hitbox. And this one, okay. It's like relatively to holder. What if I will push it forward? Okay, generate physics shape, a character controller, X diameter 1.5. So that's for diameter, but if we so radius is 0.75, right? I can just move camera forward, like the eyes are not located in the center of our head, right? They are located on the front part. So by moving eyes forward, I can fix that, I believe. So once again, okay. Well, probably that will work. I'm just wondering how broken it will be. Okay, yeah, it's a bit outside, that's why I partially can see like own body. That certainly should fix the issue, however. Okay, I see. We're not like rotating mesh. That's where all the problems happening. Right now, like eyes rotating independently. We need to rotate mesh as well, but only around y-axis. Okay. So which means we go here, pointer handler, okay. So mesh rotation, okay. We are like rotating camera. We're rotating mesh, right? And wait, we're rotating mesh and camera rotates together with it. Okay. We can do something else. Like we can rotate holder as well, probably. by default it's in the same position like mesh center and camera attached. Okay, to that thing. Okay, so we can move holder forward. And here, okay, we're rotating mesh. This rotates holder, I guess. Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, that's interesting. Oh. Yeah, I mean, that's not what I mean. Position. And here, 75. Okay. And now... Okay. Yeah, that's what I mean. Now we can probably adjust what I want to do. I want to move holder. So, and camera is in the holder. Will it work like that? I mean, it should. So, while rotating like that, mesh, we rotate mesh and camera follows because holder follows, right? So okay, I see. That's however strange, because we adjusted position of the holder, like holder is a kind of head, like optic stems. We move it up, we move it forward, and we attached camera, but okay. No, actually not okay. Okay, doesn't explain anything, but we'll figure it out later. Okay, like that it works, and now we can fix offset here, right? So if we go 2.5, will it fix the problem? like our like capsule is much more bigger than the shape itself. Yeah, it's actually, I mean that's probably okay, but we don't go that close. Yeah, I thought it will be easy fix, but apparently it's not. So, I mean, the problem is obvious. We're hitting the physical shape of the player. I think it's here. Yeah, handle hit. Can do. We can do this. We can debug. Okay. Ground. Yeah, active hitbox. Okay, we're starting to have this problem again. See, like, cool. You know what? I think I do it other way. I will just try to ignore vector hitbox, and that's it. So I'll just do return here. Let me try to do something. Think we can just extract actor from this. So, oh really? Oh, that's strange. I thought we have like actor stored in this. I mean, in this case, how our infighting works. I thought we assign like the owner of the bullet into the metadata. Okay, this is where we went. Yeah, like project owner. I mean, this thing. Player. Yeah. I mean, that's correct, but why I didn't see it before? I mean, here, metadata now. Like, how? Yes, projectile, metadata. Where it's getting that? Like, okay, that's getting weird. Okay, here. Yeah, it's here. It's here. Projectile instance, metadata. Projectile owner, player. But why I don't see it here? What the hell? That's not possible. Like, what? Yeah, it's here. Okay, I guess browser is acting weird, but okay, whatever. On execution level it works. So let's just do additional check. Like, will it work like that? I think no. I wanted to compare name, but maybe it will work as it is. Yeah, let's keep it. Let's keep it. Okay, projectile owner player. Collide it against? No, it's just envelope, but we can get name from where, right? Yeah, like transform node. And name. Yeah. If and collide it against transform node. Okay, this should fix the stuff. Fixes. Now I want to check something. I want to move monster closer. Okay. Oh yeah, this is where we do it. Okay, this one, I want to move it like much closer for X position. Okay. Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, it goes through as planned. Well, I mean, that certainly works, but it's nasty hack and I don't like it. Like, I hate it. Normally, we should just kinda fix all that positions and stuff, so we make sure that bullet always spawns outside the mesh. Well, in reality, like, our mesh will not be just a capsule, it will be like something anthropomorphic, which means that the body of the player will be much thinner. We probably will not have such issues at all, but I'm pretty sure it should be like solved, like with attaching eyes properly, like on the outside, and then if our gun is located relatively to our eyes, which makes sense, we should not hit our own body as long as our eyes is on the exterior. The other problem though with that when our eyes is on the exterior, we can go like too close to this and we can see through. So technically we should have like collision point outside our eyes. So, and the only way to fix it is to like spawn bullet fewer, but if we spawn it's like too far, it starts to spawn outside of the thing. So yeah, actually accurate solution will be just making the body shape different, but for the meantime I guess it works. It also actually protects monsters from the same problem. So let it be, I guess. Why do we need instance here? Only to check this, right? Apply damage, and we need to owner, so we can shortcut here a little bit. So already have here, we can pass projectile owner, and on projectile collision here, projectile owner, just replace it like that. Let's see that we didn't break anything for our projectiles. Say rocket. Okay, it doesn't have on projectile collision thing. Okay. Fireball. Okay, and the buckshot. Okay, this one actually should be tested separately, but I think it works. It just goes through. Yeah. Let's make sure that it's not crashing. Now this is actually another bug. When I rotate, it starts to launch rockets fewer and fewer away. This one actually quite awkward. This doesn't work all the time, but at some point it starts to spawn rockets way above the head. You see? It goes like down. It feels like the launch point. And if I go back, it's getting better. I don't know. Like launch point is getting messed up, and that one will be really hard to debug. So that one I will probably leave for our time. But now we have our problem. Let me demonstrate. Again, with rocket launcher it's easier to see. Okay, let me shoot. And if I start new game without reloading the full browser, if I try it again, we're having like sounds stuck. They don't seem to unload. I probably turn off the music for a moment just to feel it. No, now it's okay. I guess we fixed that. Oh no, okay, it's starting now. You hear what's happening with sound? They are like getting worse on every reload. And now it's completely quiet. And only if I reboot completely, it's get restored. So after several reboots, we're degrading. Like 5 or 6, and it goes to nowhere. I think we're not getting offloaded properly. Okay, it's like completely gone. So let's see how restart works. Yeah, drop all thing. I think this is where it's breaking. So let's go to audio manager. It's not what I meant. Audio manager, okay. We create this, but we don't really dispose it properly. I think, yeah, we change the scene. I mean, we don't use scene here really. We just keep recreating buses and sounds and everything. So this audio engine, yeah, and this one creates it somewhere. I don't know where. Okay. Okay, quite obvious, right? And where it's stored actually, audio manager, I believe it's here, right? And it's separate entity. Ah, but wait, we create it, but we don't recreate level manager. It should be fine. What we do, we okay, let me see. So I go if I go here, if I go here, okay, let me go here and yeah, okay, all that buses. And I see we're not getting here again, but what we do, we created that debug thing, right? Yeah, toggle inspector, okay. Let's see. Okay, so boom. Does it have any? Ah, okay, it inspects only the scene. Okay, that's yeah, that will not help us. Scene to inspect, yeah. And audio engine, like not part of a scene really. So okay. Yeah, okay, it goes once here. It creates it once, and even like we recreate we scene. Um, What I want to do here, I want to go here, level manager. Audio manager. Okay, and SFX bus. Doesn't have any. Music bus. Okay. Okay. the engine. It has nodes like this. Okay. This is how it's done, and if I do once again, yep. This is how it works. Okay, I think we can bring music back here. Okay. I don't even have it in the documentation. Wow. So let's go check some weapon, like rocket launcher. Need weapon sounds. Okay, this one creates sound as a sync. And does it have like ID or something? No, it doesn't, but that's fine. We can use name again. We place it as a key like this. You know what, since we're doing reset, I would like to do a reset. So what we do, let's check. It outputs, okay, static sound. Does it have like, okay, it has disposed. Alright. Dispose. So we can go here and sounds, okay. We'll not call it dispose, we call it reset. So the like sounds, yep. Yep. Okay. So we clean all the sound, and after all we want to do this Audio engine. I hope we will not break anything like that. Let me check something. It returns this thing. Great bass, great sound. Okay, this is a thing. Has sounds here. Oh, it's read-only. Okay. Okay. It will probably crash on it. Okay, let's not do this for now. And level manager. Drop all scene. Dispose. Current scene dispose. This audio manager. Yeah, like this. Okay, let's give it a try. So we have this. Okay. Now. Oh, okay, it have to cleanse the array, okay. Okay. It actually makes things even easier. So while it still grows, but not sure it's working. Let's debug this stuff. I don't like it. I don't like it. Sounds length 0. Okay. Now 89. Like what? I mean, that's a fatal bug. That's it, it just goes inside once. Really? Okay, let me try something. I will remove here. Let me try this theory. Okay, so sounds 90. The very first one being where is it? Name, menu, select sound. Okay, let it be. First one, explosion sound. Okay, so now if I do sounds dispose, I dispose very first one. What I get 89. Okay, if I do it again, I mean it works, okay? Only thing I don't understand why it's like did I mess up with my... Okay, 90 sounds. Explosion sound, okay. Like, what the hell? Okay, class destroy sound. Okay. That's so wrong. Don't understand how is happening. Yeah, I'm idiot. I think it doesn't mutate the array, it reassigns the array. That's why. That's why. Okay, now it should work fine. And if now I do reset, yeah, here we go. Okay, yeah, here, same, 89. Okay, only problem that we killed this sound. And we need to we need to filter them. But how? Okay, it's okay. I believe that they attach to different paths, right? Out bus, and they have name, right? SFX. But the menu sound, I go here. The menu sound is attached to UI bus. Okay. Okay. Leads. SFX. Delete sounds. And here, like bus name. No, we don't do this. We do while this entrance sound find as yes, something like that. Sound how to find out bus. Yeah, out bus name, like this, right? Out bus name. Okay. If it finds it, okay, so we delete all sounds with specific bus name. Okay, and now here instead of this we're doing effect, yeah, like that. No, UI we keep, because menu we keep this thing. Okay, let's try this in practice. Okay, we have 90, with the first being the menu. Okay, so now we're doing reset, and if we do this again receive 90, one like here, and the first one, yeah. Okay. Supposedly we fixed the issue. Now let's try to make sure. Okay, I'm just checking to make sure that there is no degradation. I probably start to understand what's happening with this bug, because the recoil on the rocket launcher is so bad. It adds some rotations and they probably accumulate somehow. That's what's happening. Yeah, probably. But okay, sounds fixed at least. I will do just couple more runs to be sure. Okay, it works. That's fine. Alright, we fixed those two bugs, but there are more to come. I have two more in mind. One is with this rocket launch offset, and there is one more that we'll discuss next time. Let's just walk through today's changes. Okay, this thing, and okay, this bypass here also, and we don't need to do that for the shotgun, right? Back shot, yeah. Okay, and it works fine, right? Okay. I can just check like that. Okay. Okay, I guess this is it. So let's save. Okay, and there is one more thing that I want to check. Okay, here I have 90. If I go, let's say here, okay, menu is alive. Okay, only one, which is, yeah, menu item select. And if I go here again, I should have 90 back. Yeah, okay, that works. Okay, let's save our progress here for today, and for the next time, if I have time, I will try to debug this weird rocket launch thing. There's definitely something off, but this is very hard to debug because it's not that consistent. Sometimes it happens, sometimes not. And after that, there is one more. Yeah, I really hope I will have time before next stream to dig into that, because those bugs require deep analysis. Let's see how it goes. Unfortunately, I'm super busy during the weekdays, so it's really hard to find time to work with Babylon.js, but I hope I will be able to prepare something before the next stream. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you everyone for joining. Hope to see you in 1 week. Have a nice day.